In this age of growing environmental concerns, our nation's wastewater treatment facilities are crucial to water quality and the cleanliness of our natural environment. To learn about a company whose innovative engineering solutions improve performance and ease maintenance burdens at treatment plants around the world, watch this important 3-minute message from NEFCO, offering cost-effective solutions to some very expensive problems. NEFCO built its first fiberglass baffle system for the City of Stamford, Connecticut wastewater treatment facility 20 years ago. The baffle improved clarifier performance by over 30%, and the Connecticut Department of Environmental Protection called it the most cost-effective improvement in clarifier performance available today. And so, the NEFCO Stamford Density Current Baffle System was created. Today, the baffle is an integral element of clarifier design, and NEFCO has the largest installed base of density current baffle systems in the world. Innovation at NEFCO is an ongoing process. Using advanced mathematical modeling tools to study baffle performance, NEFCO continues to engineer new and improved baffle designs that maximize solids capture and increase hydraulic capacity. The company has been awarded patents for its baffle designs in the U.S., Canada, Japan, and Europe. No one knows baffles like NEFCO. NEFCO supplied its first Launder Cover system in 1997. Since that time, the cover has revolutionized the way that treatment plants deal with algae. The NEFCO Launder Cover inhibits algae growth by blocking sunlight from reaching the launder trough, the weir, and the scum baffle. NEFCO's patented cover opens away from the operator and toward the center of the tank, making it convenient to open and providing the operator a full view of the trough. That design, along with the cover's solid construction and handsome appearance, make it the best-selling cover system in America. Does the NEFCO cover work? Here's what one facility manager has to say.
One of our FRP inboard launders failed due to years of sunlight damage, algae buildup, and the constant stress and flexing from operators walking in them to clean them. We were looking for a way to save time and effort on launder cleaning as well as eliminate the safety hazard. NEFCO covers have virtually eliminated algae, plus they keep any flying debris such as pine needles from entering our effluents.
NEFCO continues to develop innovative designs for new cover applications. Recently, NEFCO designers adapted the lightweight algae cover concept for use in odor control applications. Why are NEFCO products so effective? Because we listen to our customers' problems and we respond with solutions. We design our FRP products to solve the problems you face every day. Our reputation as the industry expert is well earned, and our quest for innovative solutions is ongoing. We continually study issues that affect treatment facilities, their performance, and their operation in order to engineer cost-effective products to solve problems. When you need engineered fiberglass solutions for wastewater treatment facilities, turn to NEFCO. It's what we do. To find contact information for your local representative, visit our website